Aloha, fellow eaters. Foodz here helping you find your foods, folks. And today we'll be having made in nature organic Smyrna figs. And right before we start eating, I just want to remind everyone to say grace. We must remember that all these gifts are from God, who nourishes our soul and give us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. And also to remember that all these folks who farmed, cooked, and prepared all these foods, folks, worked really hard on it. Please check the description below. We'll have timestamps so you can skip to the video and the parts you want to see. Here we go. Nothing but figs. Who here loves figs, by the way? Let us know in the comments below. Oh, okay. Looks like mushrooms. Oh, smells, yep, smells like those fig Newtons. Okay. That's how they look like. Hmm. Wow. Oh, so that's how they look like. Hmm. This is really sweet. I give this a 4.8 out of 5 stars. Outside, it wasn't really tough actually. Kind of reminds me of a drier plum. I mean prunes. Yes, a drier prunes. You know how the prunes are like a little bit wet and a little sticky on the outside. So it's kind of like that, but there's like seeds in here, so you feel that crunch, and it's really sweet. Oh, it's actually good. Kind of like the fig Newtons, cause yeah, of course there's figs inside. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, it's a little different. It's not actually now. It doesn't taste as sweet. Mm. It's kind of bitter. I guess it's a hit or miss for individual figs, dry figs. Yeah, that's it. It's it looks tough, but it's not really hard to eat. Mm. Hmm. Yeah, it was good. Thank you, folks, for watching. And for more organic foods, right there, folks, and for other foods, right there. And don't forget, when you subscribe, you're also supporting all these folks who farm, cooked, and prepared all these